Minutes with Fade to Black, episode 6 starts right now. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's Away from Fade to Black. So like I always do, I gotta thank you guys for being a part of the Fade to Black few minutes series. This is number 6, and I got a topic for this week, and I wanna see what you guys think about it. Always one thing that the weekly topic is about. So for this week, I got a topic of what is the one thing that just really annoys you with your vehicle right now. I got one thing that annoys me. It's that thing that when you, every time you think of your vehicle, every time you get in it, and you're like, man, I need to take care of that, and I just haven't gotten to it yet, but it just annoys you. My 2015 Impala, I had something kind of sneak up on me last year. You know, this winter I've been driving it a lot more than last year because I had a wheel bearing that needed to get fixed. So shout out to my buddy, he just fixed that wheel bearing. Now that the roads are clear, I got that 2-wheel drive Silverado I use in the summer a lot because I like to drive back and forth when I'm doing work. So this season, this winter, I've been driving my Impala a lot more than what I wanted to because it's better in the snow. So I got that one thing that when I jump in it and I need to get it fixed, and I've been messing around for so long, but this year, I'm gonna get it fixed. And it's one thing I've never had ever in my life before. With all the vehicles I can have, I have more vehicles that I can count on my hands. But what it is a cracked windshield. I had this cracked windshield on my car for a while now. I've been meaning to get it fixed. I just haven't gotten around to it. But it's that one thing that when I get in there, I'm like, oh, I need to get this fixed. Now, I have a 50% windshield tint on my windshield, so of course I'll get it fixed and I will retint it again because I just like having that 50% film on it to help reduce that glare. But it's that one thing that has just bothered me that I need to get it fixed. So guaranteed this year, I will get it fixed. Actually, my wife might take my car out of town to visit her friends, so I'll probably get it fixed before then. But that is the one thing that has been annoying me that I really need to get fixed. So drop a comment down below. Let me know what is that one thing with your vehicle that you need to get fixed or that just bugs you and you want to change it or fix it, whatever the case may be, anything on your car. So leave a comment down below to let us all know what is that one thing on your vehicle that just annoys you, that you want to get it fixed, you just haven't gotten around to do it. So smash that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up if you like it, check out the other videos on the YouTube channel. I greatly appreciate you guys interacting with a few minutes of Fade to Black series. Like I said, without you guys, none of these videos are possible, so I greatly appreciate that. Until next time, stay faded. Peace. One of you guys, I appreciate of this Fade to Black a few minutes. So I got some with my 220. So what it is, so what this week's topic is,